All right, everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the GSX is almost fully stripped. I still have a dash to take out and some interior pieces that I've been piling in. I'm gonna take that out. Remove the glasses, all of them. Remove the windshield over here. It's been cracked, so I'm gonna toss that away and get a new one. Engine pretty much all done. Everything is out other than harness and the subframe. I gotta leave that for now so I can push it in the garage. Everything else is ready to be washed and sanded. I have a couple of things to fix here and there. The biggest thing that I have is a little dent here, but nothing that Bondo cannot fix. I already started sanding this part there, and as well this one here. The trunk, removed the glass is still good. I'm gonna reuse it. Quarter panels, I gotta look for better ones. No, mine seals are not that great, so gotta fix that as well. The sunroof, I do have some rust here and there on the sunroof. That's normal. I'm gonna fix that as well. Dash, I'm not positive if I'm keeping this dash or not. I did get some damage over here while removing the windshield, but since this dash is cracked, you can see it's already cracked everywhere. I'm thinking I'm gonna replace the dash as well. She's pretty much ready to be pushed in the garage and primered, and paint reveal is gonna be coming pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. It's a surprise. I don't wanna spoil it right now. So yeah, pretty much like I said, ready for sanding and primer, and of course for a paint job and a clear. Anyway, pretty much that's it. Of course, if you're new, consider subscribing, like it, share, and stay tuned for the next time. Latest.